Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this short crochet braid in this video. So if you want to see and know how to achieve it, please keep watching. So I've already cut the hair off camera. So I use this hair is Xpression Braiding hair, but you can also use the Xpression coil colon. I think that's what it's called. You can also use that. And also for my braided pattern is really something simple, just like the same braided pattern I use all the time. So on the back I did a zigzag braid, just that on this very hairstyle I connected the first braid on both sides of the hair with the first braid on the back. And also for the side parts right here, this is the side part. So just use your thing, do a couple of braids on the back, and so right here this is the part connecting all the way to the other side. So on this side part is going to be the knotless method. So right here I'm using the regular crochet method, just doing the double knot and just pretty much simple. And also for this section right here, the back section and also the both sides of the hair, I cut it in half and then separate each coil into two. So yeah, pretty much simple. And also let's talk about the hair color. As usual, you don't have to use the same hair color I used in this video. You know, if you like the color, you can definitely go ahead. The hair color is color 350. So right now I'm working on the middle section, and also on this middle section I didn't cut the hair in half, so I just leave the length as it is. So now I'm going ahead also doing the same thing using the regular crochet method, doing a double knot. And so on the next one is going to be the knotless method on the side part. So right here just showing you guys, separate each coil into two, just like that, and just run my fingers through to smooth out the coils. So right here I'm going ahead to do the knotless part. So to do that, I'm only going to be pulling half of the hair through the loop, and also using this doing the same thing, doing the double knot, and then well, I gave you all my love and I gave you all my trust and I gave you everything that you need, but you only told me lies and you made me realize that, babe, you ain't no good for me. I can't be with you, you can't be true, and I know just what I got to do. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Woo-hoo. Well, you're begging me to stay, but I'm going my own way, and the skies ain't looking. So here is the finished result before going ahead to trim the hair. So next step, I'm go ahead and grab my scissors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. So I want the side to be super short, the side and also the back to be super short. Like I want it really short. So, and also if you're doing this by yourself, you want to be careful. If your friend is around, you can definitely ask them to help you with the trimming of the hair. So you want to be careful around your neck and also around your ears, so you don't accidentally cut yourself. So you want to make sure to ask for help. Is that I'm used to this, so I cannot do it myself. And also you want to, if you're doing this yourself, you want to make sure you have a mirror to help you with the trimming. So I have my mirror, my standing mirror, the camera, and also a smaller mirror just to take a break, look at the back and see what I'm doing. So yeah. Here is the finished result of this short crochet braid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also tag me in your photo if you recreate this look. I would love to see your beautiful recreation of this crochet braid. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. And I'll see you guys in my next one.